Hey everyone! If you're shopping for a phone that looks great, feels premium, and won't break the bank, Boost Mobile has a serious gem on its hands. Meet the TCL 50 XL NXTPAPER 5G. This isn't just another budget phone. TCL's NXTPAPER Display technology brings something totally new to the game. The 6.8-inch Full HD Plus NXTPAPER display is designed to reduce eye strain while still giving you vibrant color and sharp clarity. It's like paper, but digital, perfect for binge watching, reading, or scrolling late at night without the eye fatigue. Under the hood, it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor with 5G support, so you can stream, game, and browse without slowdowns. The Boost Mobile version comes with 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM, plenty for smooth multitasking and app performance. And yes, it runs Android 14 right out of the box, giving you the latest features, better privacy tools, and a sleek, modern interface. Now let's talk cameras. On the back, you've got a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth camera for portrait shots. And on the front, a sharp 32-megapixel selfie cam that's perfect for video calls and social media. A 5010 mAh battery keeps you powered all day, and with 18-watt fast charging, you're back up and running in no time. Here's the best part. The TCL 50 XL NXTPAPER 5G is $29.99 when you switch to Boost Mobile and sign up for the $50 a month Unlimited Plus plan. And if you're not switching, it's still a deal at just $149.99 full retail. Boost Mobile delivers unbeatable value with flexible plans and no annual contracts. Just smart, affordable wireless. So if you want vivid visuals, Android 14, triple cameras, and eye-friendly tech, check out the TCL 50 XL NXTPAPER 5G at boostmobile.com or your local Boost Mobile store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you try NXTPAPER? And hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.